my dear kids, how are you doing? Welcome to Pep Talks by Biotonic. Small talks, real big agendas, really big motivation, my dear kids. Today's topic is a topic which is very, very close to your heart. So many of you feel stuck, feel really, really bad because of today's topic, because of something which I'm going to discuss in detail in today's class. Today's class is about improving your score. I know so many of you are stuck at a single score. Up to 80, 290, 300. मान लो 310, 320 भी हो गया. But इससे आगे नहीं बढ़ रहे हो. I also know some of you because you've written to me. You are stuck in 350, 360. You need to now go over 600. So how do you make this big leap from 350 to 650? How do you break the shackle of that score and come out is something which I'm going to be teaching you in today's class. Point number 1. Do your mock test papers very, very deliberately. टाइम लगाकर मॉक टेस्ट पेपर्स को OMR शीट पे फिलिंग करके अच्छे से करो. डू अ एनालिसिस ऑफ योर मॉक टेस्ट पेपर्स जहां पर आप ये पता लगा रहे हो कि आपने कौन से टॉपिक में गलती की. बिफोर यू जंप ऑन टू द थर्ड और द सेकेंड मॉक टेस्ट पेपर, जिस एरिया में गलती हो रही है, द वीक एरिया, यू नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई द वीक एरिया एंड डू द पर्टिकुलर वीक एरिया इन अ लॉट ऑफ डिटेल. So mock test papers, identify your weak areas, redo your weak areas, attempt one more mock test paper and see whether your score is improving or not. Also, identify if there is one complete subject जो आपका weak रह रहा है. Bio is good, chemistry is average, but physics is very weak. You will never be able to improve your score. See our videos where we've talked about physics in detail. Look at those videos and try and improve your score. Reduce your negative marking by staying calm in the examination, by being focused in the examination, and by not doing any impulse answering. Do all of this. Do all of this. See if your score is improving or not. And still, if your score does not improve, write to us. We will reply back to your mail individually. So I hope this chota packet will do a big dhamaka in your life and you will definitely improve your score. Bye kids.